Here's the birds. I've got some Cheerios for them. Here comes the rest of them, running whenever I shake the Cheerios box. They absolutely love them. Ducks also need extra niacin, and Cheerios are high in niacin, or they have niacin in them. They're kind of a treat that a lot of people encourage for ducks. So I'm going to give some of these to these guys. Probably going to go into the yard just simply because it's really windy and a lot of times they just blow back out. So here goes. They're going to follow me, I'm sure of it. These guys are crazy. There's white chicken in the front there. Luna gets a little scared of them sometimes. I attach her to the fence just take her out for a walk, and she gets attached to the fence while I take care of the birds. I collected a couple eggs just now. So let's see. I'll see if I can get some of these in here so you guys can see them. There's Salt and Pepper right there, right in the middle. The white and I believe it's fawn runner ducks. Peppa's on the left. She has the darker bill. Salt has the lighter bill. Kind of makes sense. So here's some Cheerios. I better get more out there because they're going to go crazy for them. There's some pudgy pecans coming. Sorry, I hit the fence there. There's black chicken. Dwayne is right there in the middle, the barred rock that looks a little different from the rest. We assume he's male. I'm going to throw some in another direction. So yeah, these are just regular Cheerios, plain. We got these ones in Canada, but the English side of the packaging, sorry, that was black chicken being a bully. The English side of the packaging basically says the same stuff. We just happened to get these ones in Canada at Easter because they were on sale. Yeah, that's about it. Frontiere Farmhouse on Facebook and Instagram. You're probably watching this on YouTube. But yeah, birds like the Cheerios.